Welcome to Investing Alpha, where financial insights meet strategic investing. In a world where market dynamics shift rapidly, this channel is dedicated to empowering investors with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape. From in-depth analysis of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to exploring emerging market trends, Investing Alpha is your go-to source for actionable insights. Join a community of savvy investors eager to maximize their portfolios and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Investing Alpha is here to help you make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Subscribe now and unlock the potential of your investments. Bitcoin has surged to $115,300, marking a significant breakout that liquidated $379.88 million in short positions. This dramatic price movement comes on the heels of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's hint at a potential interest rate cut during a speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium. The implications of this announcement have reverberated throughout the financial markets, igniting renewed interest in Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a store of value. As investors react to the Fed's signals, Bitcoin's price has not only recovered from its recent lows, but has also set the stage for a potential rally that could redefine its market position. The price increase of over 5% from a 6-week low of $111,600 has analysts declaring that the Bitcoin uptrend is back. This resurgence is not just a fleeting moment, it reflects a broader shift in market sentiment. The sudden market recovery caught many traders off guard, leading to the liquidation of 150,217 positions across the crypto market, totaling $629.48 million wiped out in both short and long positions. Such significant liquidations indicate a strong reaction from traders who were betting against Bitcoin, showcasing the volatility that characterizes the cryptocurrency market. As bullish sentiment takes hold, the potential for further price increases becomes a focal point for investors looking to capitalize on this momentum. Bitcoin's price action has been closely monitored, especially as it took out ask liquidity above $117,000. More than 259.5 million in ask orders were noted between 117,000 and 118,000, indicating strong bullish sentiment. This liquidity sweep not only demonstrates the market's eagerness to push prices higher, but also highlights the strategic positioning of traders who are anticipating continued upward movement. Analysts like Michael Vandepoppy have pointed out that the recent sweep below $112,000 provided an excellent entry point for traders. He advised followers to watch for a sweep beneath the August 3rd low of 109, which indeed occurred, followed by a massive upward movement. This tactical approach underscores the importance of timing and market awareness in navigating the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. Despite the bullish momentum, some analysts, including Jelly, caution that a price retracement may occur after this pump. However, the prevailing sentiment is that the market is eager for higher prices. This sentiment is fueled by a combination of technical indicators and macroeconomic factors that suggest a favorable environment for Bitcoin. Traders are closely watching key support levels and resistance points, as any significant pullback could provide a buying opportunity for those looking to enter the market at a lower price. The volatility inherent in cryptocurrency trading means that while the outlook appears positive, caution is warranted. Analysts emphasize the need for a balanced approach, where traders remain alert to potential market corrections while also positioning themselves to benefit from the ongoing bullish trend. Forecasts for Bitcoin's price continue to rise, with Bitquant maintaining a cycle top target of 145,000 for 2025. Additionally, the potential impact of U.S. President Donald Trump's recent move to allow cryptocurrencies in 401k retirement plans could propel Bitcoin to an astounding $200,000 by year-end, according to Bitwise's head of European research, Andrei Dragos. As the market evolves, traders are advised to remain vigilant and conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. The cryptocurrency landscape is dynamic, and while opportunities abound, risks remain inherent in trading and investing. This surge in Bitcoin's price reflects broader trends in the cryptocurrency market, influenced by macroeconomic factors and regulatory developments. With the Fed's potential policy pivot and increasing institutional interest, Bitcoin's trajectory could lead to unprecedented highs in the near future. Investors are encouraged to stay informed about market trends and potential regulatory changes that could impact the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The recent price movements highlight the volatility and potential for significant gains, but also underscore the importance of risk management in trading strategies. As Bitcoin continues to capture the attention of both retail and institutional investors, the coming months will be crucial in determining its price direction. The interplay between market sentiment, regulatory news, and macroeconomic indicators will shape the future of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. In conclusion, the recent price breakout to $100 and $300 signals a renewed bullish sentiment in Bitcoin, with analysts optimistic about reaching new all-time highs. As the market reacts to Federal Reserve signals and potential regulatory changes, traders and investors must remain proactive and informed to navigate this rapidly changing landscape. With the potential for Bitcoin to reach $200,000 by the end of the year, the excitement surrounding cryptocurrencies is palpable. The next few months could be pivotal for Bitcoin, making it essential for stakeholders to keep a close eye on market developments and adjust their strategies accordingly. The cryptocurrency market is not just about numbers, it's about understanding the underlying factors driving price movements. As Bitcoin continues to evolve, so too will the strategies employed by traders and investors looking to capitalize on its potential. In this ever-changing environment, knowledge is power, and staying ahead of the curve will be key to success in the cryptocurrency space. Thank you for watching this episode of Investing Alpha. If you found this analysis valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of investing. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content and join the conversation. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin's recent surge? Let's discuss.